Good morning, everyone. This is the weekly market roundup with Kotak Mutual Fund. In the major events of last week, the benchmark indices broke their 4-week winning streak and closed the week with marginal losses on the backdrop of weak global cues and FOMC outcome. The Nifty 50 lost 0.73% and the BSE Sensex fell by 0.25%. Broader indices underperformed the benchmark indices, with the BSE Mid Cap losing 3% and the BSE Small Cap falling by 1.8%. For the month till date, we saw net buying from the FIIs to the tune of 5,849 crore rupees. And on the other hand, the DIIs were net sellers of 2,293 crore rupees. Post the CPI closing at 6.30%, we saw yields hardening across the yield curve, where the 5-year bond hardened by 20 basis points, while the 10-year GSEC closed flat on the back of a GSAP auction. Last week, the rupee depreciated by 79 paise, its biggest decline since the week ending April 9th, to close at 73.86 against the US dollar. For the week ended, the Indian forex reserves stand at 6.08 billion US dollars. Oil closed with 4 straight weekly gains on the back of global demand recovery and vaccine rollout. The global oil demand has touched 97 million barrels per day as against 95 million a week ago. WTI crude closed the week at 71.64 US dollars per barrel. Last week, the RBI policy minutes of the meeting were published, which highlighted the challenges of growth versus inflation trade-off. Since inflation may remain above RBI's tolerance band, it may prompt advancement of policy normalization to October. That's it for the day. Thank you for listening and have a safe day ahead. For regular updates, please subscribe to our social media pages.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.